This is a fit for a 2010 through 2015 Toyota Prius 5-door. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule EVO Clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar Evo load bars in black, 53 inches in length, the EVO Clamp foot pack, and the vehicle specific fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber base pads and the rubberized metal door frame brackets. This is part number 145001. The crossbars are in a predetermined fixed location at 27.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in the video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.